Hi there, this is BJ from How Expert. How you guys doing? So this video, I want to do this quick video to share with you if you want to learn self-publishing from A to Z from an independent publisher like myself, so you can do it as well. I created an online course. It's called Publisher System. Okay, so you can go here and you can you can check out all these videos, what I teach you, but in a nutshell. You're going to learn how to start, grow, and succeed with your self-publishing business. Learn how to self-publish your own ebook, paperback books, and audiobooks on all platforms. Okay, mainly Amazon, but other ideas as well. Um, I want to share with you what you will learn inside this online course. I could show you. Here's real life proof of getting results. On top of that, there's additional training on top of self-publishing. I also use the same concepts of self-publishing to produce different types of products. I've even done movies on Amazon Prime, music on Spotify and iTunes, t-shirts on Amazon, and so forth. So this is a different type of course where you don't just learn about Kindle publishing, but also all platforms. So you're going to learn how to create your products for Kindle, ebooks, paperback books, audiobooks. And what's different about this, I'm going to help you build a brand. Okay, build a brand. So this is what's different about this course compared to a lot of different courses out there. Okay, I'm sure a lot of all these courses they have value, but what differentiates my course is I focused on building a brand. My brand is called howexpert.com. You can see we almost have over 1,000 products on Amazon. As you can see right here, we got almost 990 products as of right now. Using t-shirts, we got all kinds of products. How many ebooks do we have? We have 333 as of right now. That's a great number, of course. We're publishing, as you can see, this is the 19th. It's published on the 16th. We're publishing every single month. Okay, April we published 2 books. March we published 3, 4, 5 new books. We don't just teach this, we do this. Okay, February we published another book, and we're doing every single month. Okay, and on top of that, not just ebooks, like I said, paperback books. We have paperback books as well. As you can see, we have 275 paperback books. We have audiobooks on Amazon as well, as well as on iBook Store, Apple's iBooks, 307 audiobooks, and Apple's iBooks, all platforms. I'm going to show you how to do this, okay? So you can build your own publishing empire step by step from start to finish, from A to Z, okay? It's different than a lot of other self-publishing courses, I would say, because a lot of other publishing courses teach you, hire writers, and then you have a ghostwriter name and you publish it like that, but they don't really teach how to build a brand. Okay, build a company's brand name. That's what differentiates. That's my system, and that system is called Publisher System. And you're going to learn the different lessons here. Lesson 1: how to write and finish your book step by step, as fast as 24 hours to 72 hours. You're going to learn. Hey, you might say, "Hey, BJ, I'm not a writer. I don't want to spend like 2 years writing a book." Well, don't fret, because I have a training that will teach you how you or anyone can create a book in 24 to 72 hours. Okay, you can do that. Okay, and lesson number 2, module number 2, how to post an ebook writing job to attract high quality writers for a very affordable cost. If you want to hire writers to write for the book for you. Okay, this method will teach you how you don't have to spend so much money. Okay, actually the writers will want to write for you even though your budget is affordable. Okay, lesson number 3, how to invite high quality writers to your job post so you never run out of high quality writers ever again. Okay, you will always have writers all the time using this method. Lesson number 4, how to interview and hire writers to create unique how-to guides or unique books about their number 1 best expertise as an affordable price. One of the most difficult things for newbies is, they don't know. I don't know what book to write. I don't know what book to publish. I don't know what topic to go into. Well, don't worry about that, because when you watch this method is different than most other methods that are taught in the self-publishing industry. This method is different. It's organic, it's authentic, it's genuine, it's real. It basically I'll teach you how you can hire the writer to write about what they are best at. And that ends up helping you create a book that is real, that is authentic. The writer wants to write about it. It's not a grudging process for the writer to write a book about this topic because they're passionate about this topic. And when they're passionate about the topic, the end result, the final product becomes even more excellent, even better. Okay. So that method, that process, that theory, the examples, I'm going to show you to you in this lesson number 4. Okay. Lesson number 5, how to format your book for all platforms. So it's ready for Amazon ebooks, as a paperback book and audiobooks, and you're going to learn how to format it very quick and easy. And if you don't know how, you can find the people who can do it for you. Okay. I'm going to show it to you. I'm not going to just teach you about it in this course, by the way. I'm going to demonstrate it to you as if you're behind my shoulders in my home office watching my computer screen, so you can finally build your independent publishing brand as well. Okay. Lesson number 6, how to get high quality ebook, paperback book, and audiobook covers at an affordable cost. Okay. They say it's all about the cover. Well, I'm going to show you how you can get a cover done really quickly and an affordable cost. Okay. You want to learn how to do that. And best of all, you don't have to be the designer. Okay. Out of the 300 plus books that I have published, I haven't done any of the designs. Okay, I'm not a designer. You don't have to be a designer. I'm going to teach you how you can step back and work on your business instead of working in your business. Okay, this is a smart way to do it for the long run. Okay, lesson number 7, I would say how to publish your ebook to Amazon Kindle ebook stores in 30 minutes or less. I'm going to demonstrate you the whole process of publishing an actual book to Amazon Kindle, and it takes 30 minutes or less. And then after that, in 24 hours or to 72 hours, that book you just submitted in 30 minutes is going to be a book on Amazon. I'm going to show it to you. I'm going to teach you, and I'm going to show it to you and demonstrate to you. Okay. Lesson number 8, how to publish your paperback book. See, what's good about this is that you're not just going to learn how to publish an ebook. You're going to learn how to publish that same content and submit and publish it as a different form, as a paperback book, as a real physical paperback book that you can touch, you that is real. And I'm going to show you how you can do that, okay, as a paperback book. Lesson number 9, how to turn your ebook into an Amazon audiobook. So this is a third stream of income that you also have. Again, income disclaimer, I don't guarantee you're going to make any money at all because, I don't know who you are. Success requires hard work, consistency, persistency, perseverance. So I have to say that, okay, for legal disclaimer. I don't guarantee you're going to make any money at all. But if you work hard, if you're consistent, you persistent, persevere over the long run, you can succeed. Okay, that's the story of every person who's made it, okay, succeeded in this industry. So lesson number 9, I'm going to teach you how to turn your ebook into an audiobook. And best of all, you don't have to do the audio yourself. You can select other people with better microphones, better quality voice to do the audiobook for you at an affordable cost. And you own the rights to the content for the rest of your life, okay? Lesson number 10, how to multiply your self-publishing profits by publishing your same ebook to additional platforms, okay? So maybe you just heard about Amazon because it's the biggest platform, and it is the biggest platform as of right now. But on top of that, I believe in multiple streams of income, okay? I believe in not putting all your eggs in one basket, okay? Because what happens if whatever happens to an Amazon account of yours, right? You don't want that to happen, right? You always want to be on the safe side, though. That's why I also teach you how you can turn the same content that you have and submit to other platforms legally, okay? Such as other big stores like Apple's iBooks, which is huge. Everyone has iPads, Apple, everyone knows iTunes, iBooks, same thing. Yeah, I'm going to teach you how you can do that, okay? Also to other platforms like Kobo, Sony Reader, and additional retailers out there. You're going to learn that. You're going to not only learn that, you're going to watch how to do that, okay? Lesson number 11, how to build an email list for your business to maximize your success with your ebook business, okay? So, you're going to learn the internet marketing aspects of the game for the self-publishing industry. Okay, it's not just relying on just submitting your books on Amazon or other platforms and there you go. Because you don't want to depend on other platforms. You want to be independent. You want to be the owner So I'm going to teach you how you can be an owner of your own assets by building your email list. Simply like building an email list, because as you build an email list, you can give value to your email list over time, and you can sell related recommended resources and products to your list, and make another stream of income by building an email list. And that's kind of like a internet marketing strategy most self-publishers may not know. Typical self-publishers, I'm going to teach you how to do that, because from my internet marketing experience, I can teach you how to do internet marketing. Bonus number 1, how to make money with affiliate products without selling the book using the book. Okay, this is a ninja method. Basically, how to make money with affiliate products. How do you make money with affiliate products without even selling the book? There's a method to this. Okay, and it's an extra bonus, an extra stream of income idea that you can do to your own books, so you can maximize the potential, maximize the success of your books. Bonus number 2. Additional secret interview to succeed as a self-publisher. I gathered all the most common questions that beginning self-publishers have, intermediates or self-publishers from all levels, and I answer it in this 1-hour video. The top questions, I answer them all to you, and this is an exclusive bonus to you if you get my Publisher System course. Okay, so I talk about what's different about this course. Like I said, the main difference is that you're going to learn how to build your own publishing business, independent publishing business as a brand, okay, where you don't have to do the writing yourself, and you can hire other people to write for your brand, okay? Now, if you do happen to be the type of person who wants to write your own book, don't fret. I have experience writing my own book as well. So the same concept that I use to format, submit books to the platforms, you can do that, okay? This is not a writing course, okay? This is not a writing course. This is a publishing course, okay? So if you want to learn about writing, this is not it, okay? This is more about being a publisher, okay? Because let's just be honest. If just from my experience, for the everyday average Joe, everyday average Jane, a person, most authors, they don't make that much money because they do all the work themselves. If you want to make money with the self-publishing industry, you really have to have more books. You have to be a publisher. You have to transition from being an author to a publisher, okay? And that's what I teach in this course. In terms of writing, though, I do give lessons on how to write your own book in this course. But again, this is primarily a publishing course, okay? As you can see, I've helped a lot of different people publish their book. A lot of times their first book about their passion. You can see kickboxing, a book about kickboxing, a book about voiceover talents, a book about how to do Etsy, how to do Olympic weightlifting, all kinds of topics, okay? So you can scroll down and I'll show you what's inside the course. If you become a member, this is what it's going to look like. And you can see there's different types of training, lesson 1, lesson 2, lesson 3, all the different lessons. And if you click on one of the lessons, this is what it's going to look like. Module 1, I'm going to teach you how to create your book in 24 hours. Boom. So this is like a 17-minute video. It's very, very detailed, very thorough. Okay. And after you finish this, it has a summary section. It has downloads, like PDF reports that you can download, recommended resources that you can check out. And after you finish that training, you move on to the lesson number 2, and you can watch this video. These are unlisted videos, so only for exclusive members who join the course. Okay, and after that, you can move on to the next and then go on. Okay, so if you are interested in this course, as of right now, this is the pricing. It may go up, it may go down as of right now. I'm just being honest. It may be an yearly membership site in the future. So if you're watching this and if you want to learn, if you want to skip the learning curve, trying to learn this all by yourself, which is actually the slow way to do it, this is a great investment for you at the end of the day, to speed up your learning curve, to learn from my own personal mistakes of what not to do, to ultimately know for you what to do and focus on what to do to start, grow, and build and succeed in your own independent self-publishing business from start to finish, okay? And like I said again, I do have experience writing a book myself. It hit #1 Amazon bestseller on the business category, not a small subcategory, but the big business category on Amazon for its first months of launch. Okay, so I have experience being a best-selling author and a best-selling publisher for books I've published as well. So if you want to learn this type of information is priceless. Okay, the course that you get, this has made, like I said, this is what I generate every single month as of right now. As of right now, I'm generating about 3,700 a month just from ebooks. From audiobooks, I'm getting about 2,000 a month. Okay, from other platforms, I'm getting about $800 a month. Okay, so you added it up, it's about 5,700, about over 6,000 right now, every single month, like clockwork, month after month. And you get that type of information for a one-time investment as of right now. And even if it may change into a yearly subscription where you have to pay this yearly, even that price is a no-brainer. It's an investment for you to speed up your time, because it's about time. If you want to learn this all by yourself, it's going to take you time, energy, resources, and probably a lot more money. And do you want to spend a year, 2 years, 3 years of trial and error all on your own trying to figure this out? Or you want to learn this immediately from my 10 plus years of experience as an independent publisher for this incredible deal? It's a no-brainer. Okay, this is for your invest. Don't look at the price. Look at what it can gain you, what it can help you achieve in the long run. Don't focus on the price, but focus on what this tool, this education, this resource could help you get to the destination. Focus on the destination, your dreams, your vision, your calling, your mission, where you want to get to. See, some people sabotage themselves because they just focus on they major on the minor things like the price, and they say, oh, it's so expensive. I'm just being honest with you. This is not expensive. This is actually an investment for your future, for the long run. Okay. So I want to help people who are serious about this, because if you're talking about it's too expensive, then this is not for you. You don't see the big picture. You're majoring on the minor things if you focus on the price. But if you're the type of person who can major on the major things, that's focusing on your vision, focusing on your dreams, focusing on what you want to accomplish. So if you want to focus on what you want to accomplish, then this is a means to help you get from A to Z where you want to get to. So if you want to get to from A to Z, get this course right now. Click that link below, take action, get this course, and I'll see you on the inside. Thank you for watching. I'll talk to you soon, and I look forward to helping you build your own independent publishing business from A to Z to ultimately make a positive impact in your sphere of influence, one step at a time. Thank you for watching. I'll talk to you soon. Take care.